Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to completely disable autoplay videos in the Vivaldi browser on your phone. This will help you save data, avoid distractions. First, open the Vivaldi browser on your phone. Next, tap on the Vivaldi icon at the top right. From this menu, scroll down and select the Settings option to access browser preferences. After that, scroll down and tap on Content Settings. Next, click on Site Settings to manage permissions for websites. Then, scroll down until you see the Autoplay Videos option and tap on it to access the toggle. Finally, turn off the autoplay video setting. This will stop all videos from playing automatically when you visit websites in Vivaldi on your phone. Now, you can enjoy browsing without unexpected videos playing in the background and save both battery and data. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others.